In this tutorial, we will see that how you can take long screenshot in laptop or PC in Windows 11 in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. It's a very easy process from your desktop. If you open Google, on right upper side, you will see here these three dots. You have to click on that. It will open up these type of options. Simply come to this extensions. If you hover at that, it will show you these two options. You have to open here, visit Chrome Web Store. If you click on that, it will take you to this Google Chrome Web Store. You will find here this search bar in header. You have to search here, go full page and search it. You will get this extension here. You can open it and simply add to Chrome from here. Add extension. It will be added. Now we have to pin it. Click on that puzzle icon and simply pin it from here. Now after pinning it, so now let's suppose I want to take long screenshot from this page. Simply click on that camera icon of go page. Look, if you click on that, it will start taking screenshot of full page. Here it is. Then you can simply download as PDF or you can save this image into your gallery from here. So that's how you can take long screenshot in laptop or PC in Windows 11 in just few easy steps.